Here we go, Laz. 1 to 7. Number 3. I think it's 6 high. I was calling for you earlier during your break, but you weren't answering. Maybe you went and got some turtle soup. Laz, here we go. 2016 Spectra. I gotta go, High. I'm supposed to be going out of town. I still gotta break this one, another long one, and the group break. I was supposed to be going out of town for the New Year's. I was planning on leaving by 6:30 here. Now I'm looking I'll be leaving about 10 or 11. Gary Barnage, blue, numbered at 35. Immense materials. I wouldn't say that's immense. 199. Oh, dang, nice one here. First 2 boxes from this case: Carson Wentz Superfractor and somebody. Dual Shields, 101. And now we get Joey Bosa, Ezekiel Elliott, dual patch, numbered to 15. Sterling Shepard, numbered to 99. First 2 boxes have been nice. Owen Daniels, Moritz Boringer. Nice patch on that one too. Just kidding. 99 patch autograph. Andy Dalton, Joe Hayden, John Stewart, numbered to 99. Nick Vannett. Noah, yeah, I have cup hockey, yeah. Oh, you got it, Adrian? Just saw that comment too. I don't know how many people have been commenting over here. Nick Vannett, 99. Bo Jackson jersey, 49. Tom Landry, hat or jacket, 199. Derek Carr, 60. Keenan Reynolds, dual jersey. Rising rookie. Dang, check out that patch. Kenneth Dixon, 1 of 5. Case has been really nice so far. We only opened 2 boxes. Kenneth Dixon. One of 5 on that one. Mark Ingram, 99, and Joe Flacco, 99. That was it. Last, thanks, buddy.